As winter starts to click in, it looks like we have a buck parade. See how a buck marks his territory with an overhead licking branch? Suddenly there appears the ever-present coyote in the woods. If you enjoy this content, please subscribe. There is a certain tension in the air as we see a mature buck walk briskly away with his tail raised in alarm. He is followed and surpassed by some fleeing does. I wonder what scared them. It's a coyote on the prowl. As it starts to rain, the deer hope to get a reprieve, but the coyote is relentless. A massive buck takes advantage of the lull in the rain to sneak quietly to his bedding area. Even though they don't have as much to fear from the coyotes as the other deer, this wild pig takes advantage of the lull in activity to move to a safer place. Likewise do the deer. If you are enjoying this content, please subscribe. Young bucks start to gather in small groups for safety. As the temperatures drop, the wild pigs with their babies tend to feel the pressure from the hunting coyotes. As we move deeper into winter, hunger puts a new urgency into the coyote, and he now hunts day and night. The coyotes now form packs because it increases their chances of catching and bringing down large game such as deer. Another parade of young bucks. A solitary coyote. This is very unusual at this time of the year. Where is the rest of the pack? We see a member of the pack pick a spot to be used by the alpha male of the pack to mark his hunting territory for his pack. As winter lingers, we're about to see what wildlife experience in the South in winter. Whether it is wild hogs, deer, birds, or coyotes, once the temperature drops below freezing, life becomes more challenging. There are only acorns, woody browse, honeysuckle, and a few green plants left. With the mating season over, even the majestic bucks search for food. The call of the blue jay indicate it may have found an acorn-bearing oak tree. The wild hogs search for acorns, wild pecans, and plant roots. The does or female deer seek food to nourish the fawns they will give birth to in the spring. The does also tend to form groups for safety from the coyotes, which now hunt them. Most of their days and nights are dominated by their search for food. As the nights get colder, the food source dry up, and woody browse becomes the mainstay for the deer. When the temperature finally warms up, it brings a light snowstorm. The search for food continues. In the distance, you hear the call of the coyotes. This is not good news for the deer. The coyotes find the deer and pigs feeding area, and the hunt is on. The young bucks form what are called bachelor groups for their protection. They mainly rely on each other's eyes, ears, and noses. The older bucks are able to fend for themselves unless the coyotes form a pack. If you enjoy this content, please subscribe. Well, that's it, folks. Thanks for joining.